Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and we are going to unbox an older Mini GT LBWK GTR for you. This is number 68, and it is the LB Works Nissan GTR in white. And this is their version 2 body kit. And it says that somewhere here on the box. On the bottom side of the box, you have your warning for choking hazards, age recommendation because it is a collector's model. This end cap has Mini GT, TSM model. The top side has your collector number 68. This end cap is just kind of blank. It's got the Rising Sun Japan flag continuing over to that end cap. And then on the back side of the box, you have our licensing stuff, and this is an older release. As you can see, it has where to find Mini GT online, on Facebook and Twitter, but nothing on Instagram. This is before they had their IG account. There is your TSM model holographic sticker, and this tells you the car, LB Works Nissan GTR R35 Type 2. As I mentioned, that is their version 2 body kit. Rear wing version 3, because this is a high wing, but it is a rear mount. It does not mount on the deck lid. It mounts with some brackets attached to the rear of the car, kind of like an IndyCar spoiler. It is white and left-hand drive. I'm not sure if they released this in left and right. They may have. But anyways, let's get him out of the box and take a look at him. Can't remember, I may have done a video on one of these a long time ago when I had all the GTRs, but since I'm collecting these again, just the white ones, figured I would go ahead and do a video on it again. So here it is. You have your Forgiato wheels, and as you can see, the flares are different on this one. On the version 1 kit, the flare goes all the way down. This one kind of cuts up a little high on the back side of the tire. Same thing on the front part. And it has a very wide side skirt, as you can see here. Also has a carbon fiber insert, like louver insert, on the front fender flare. And it has 2 canard spoilers, or wings, on each side. And a front chin spoiler. And then, as I was mentioning with this wing, it is a high wing, but as you can see, it mounts in the back part of the car through the rear bumper cover. So, really cool kit. I'm kind of old school. I like the version 1 kit. It's kind of basic and subtle. It looks really good. This looks good too, and I also like their, I guess I'd call it version 3, which is the Silhouette Works kit. So, as you can see on the side, very subtle with the co-sponsors, just black lettering for some sponsors. Let's zoom in a little bit here. As you can see, the Advan, the Forgiato, LB Performance, the Rising Sun, and then you have the Imagine All the People, Living Life in Peace trademark phrase that Kato uses on all his car. I guess it was, he's a big Lennon fan, I would say. But yeah, very subtle. No colors. All black and white. And then has a carbon fiber hood. LB Performance banner sticker. And as you can see, the gauge pod is here on the left side. So it is left-hand drive. Acrylic headlight lenses. Nice detail in the intercooler. It is a grill emblem delete, I would say. There's no GTR emblem in the grille. And the mirrors on this one, they are rubber, but very, very rigid, so be very, very careful. And also forgot to mention, the wing is a carbon fiber wing also. Sometimes they do have writing on the bottom side. This one does not. And what's cool, on each end of the wing, it has the Japanese Rising Sun. Pretty cool. Nice detailed air diffuser, silver trimmed dual exhaust tips on each side, and Advan across the deck lid, and your L Liberty Walk vanity plate, more Liberty Walk stickers on the bumper cover, and You have your red acrylic taillight lenses. Trying to get it to focus again. There we go. So very sweet car. Nicely detailed chassis, held down with button head Phillips screws as usual. So very sweet GTR. I still have to find another version 1 kit. I have not gotten one of those. The one that I'm hunting right now is number 9. I want the satin white one. They also have number 64 is a version 1 white kit, and it has a ghosted in kind of rising sun type thing. But the number 9, what's unique about it, it is the only R35 from Mini GT with the LBWK kit that has a red lipped rim, and it is very subtle. I don't even know if it has any co-sponsoring at all. I think it is just satin white. So it's a really cool piece. That is one that I will be hunting for my collection. A couple of the white ones I have picked up, some of the Kaido houses and some of the Pop Race stuff, I'm going to be letting go of and trying to just get very specific ones. I was just trying to fill the case before, so now I'm getting a little bit more picky. So you may start seeing some white Nissans popping up on my eBay store for sale occasionally. But that's it for our Sunday evening, guys. Tune back in tomorrow. I'm going to be unboxing a couple of modern Mopars from Auto World. I think I have a Caravan and a Jeep. So tune in to see those to kick off your first week of November. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.